Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are nearing the end of our backyard projects and I had to share this soft top 11 by 13 gazebo sent to us by Sunjoy. Today's video is being sponsored by Sunjoy. As you can see, we are jumping right in with putting our new gazebo from Sunjoy together. It came in one box with free curbside delivery. The delivery driver was nice enough to bring it in our backyard for us. So before my husband and I got started, we had a game plan. I was going to be the person to unbox and organize all the parts so he could just breeze through the directions. I finished unboxing and organizing the parts pretty quick, so I was able to jump in and help him. So yes, teamwork makes the dream work. We put this gazebo together in probably, I would say, a third of the time. This was my first time helping to assemble a gazebo. As you can see, the hubby and I enjoyed it, and we looked at it as a DIY and quality time. The instructions were super easy, and I can move on to the next step without waiting on him, and vice versa. So we're assembling it over here in our pool area, but we're going to put it completely together in what we call our outdoor kitchen area or outdoor cooking area. So the main goal is to put pretty much all of the parts together as much as we can over here, and then we're going to move over into the cooking area, and that's where we're going to put the gazebo at. All right, so here is where we're going to leave our gazebo. And right now you can see we do have the base in place, and now we need to add the other two sides. So we have already installed one set of sides, and now we're going to add the other set. So we just used our screws to put it in place, and then my husband did come behind us and he tightened the screws to make sure they didn't move. So this was a really simple and easy, fun project. It was pretty much like putting a big puzzle together, but the type of puzzle that had the answers, let's just say that. So it's really relaxing, and as you can see, we're doing the other side. I'm going to hold my side up first and screw it in, then I'll come down and help him. You guys, it was triple digit weather. We started putting this gazebo together pretty late in the evening because it was so hot outside, and we were literally waiting for the temperature to drop and cool off just a little bit. We missed a lot of our footage because our camera was overheating from the heat. But we stayed hydrated and got it done. So I pretty much was just putting everything where it goes and screwing it in, and my husband would come behind me and tighten all of the screws up. And then the last thing we had to put on was the parts to the canopy. So he's tightening those parts up as well. And it was getting late, as you can see. It's dark now. And we both decided to come back in the mornings just to add our sunbrella canopy top. So he's just going to continue and tighten the screws. And like I said, we're going to add our canopy top in the morning. All right, so it's the next morning, and my husband was outside cutting the grass, and he was like, let's go ahead and put this fabric on top of the canopy, and I was all for it. So I came outside to help him, and once he got it up there, I helped tie it underneath. So that's what you see him just laying it out a little bit better, and then I came behind him and we both made the ties, and then we added the 2-tier top to the very top of it, which also helps keep the fabric in place. And here is how the space looked off distance before, and here it is after. And once again, here it is before, and here it is after. This is Sunjoy's 13 by 11 aluminum and steel frame soft top gazebo with a ventilated 2-tier soft top design. The canopy is made from Sunbrella's weather fade and UV resistant performance shade fabric. It also has the all-weather wicker accents that we all love. I hung my own curtains using zip ties on the built-in dual rail system, which can also be used to hang mesh netting as well. The frame has a natural wood appearance finish on rust-proof aluminum and a rust-resistant galvanized steel frame. The corners are reinforced, and anchoring plates with coordinated covers are included for easy mounting. If you want to make this gazebo stationary, you simply lift this plate, screw it into your surface, and cover it right back up, and no one will ever know that it is screwed underneath. There is a built-in ceiling hook in the ceiling of the gazebo for added lighting. I have a temporary chandelier just to give you an idea of how a chandelier or light fixture will look in place. This 13 by 11 gazebo is just what we needed to complete the look for our backyard. There is plenty of space inside of the gazebo, so you won't have any problems with space, even with us having this outdoor kitchen in place. I also am showing you how it would look fully decorated with flowers and plants. And of course, I wouldn't dare keep them in place if I was cooking. And these are just some temporary outdoor curtains. I just wanted to show you how it would look. And I also want to let you see how it looks entering our backyard. Just another layer of protection. I'll leave a link to this gazebo as well as my coupon code Sharita13 so you can save 13% off your purchase. So be sure you shop their website and use my link for your 13% off. They have so many gazebos to choose from, and I definitely want you to take advantage of the savings. So be sure to use my coupon code and look for the link in the description, and my coupon code is Sharita13. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And I do plan to show you a nighttime view of this space along with the lighting and my new curtains that I plan to add to our new gazebo. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.